Hello, hello, and welcome to our live webinar. So excited that you have decided to tune in. Today, we're going to walk you through the process on how to build a 6-page website for your church from scratch for free. That's right, absolutely free. So let's go ahead and get ready. I want you to go ahead and get yourself comfortable. Let me just make sure everything is up and running over here. Let me turn that off. Let me just make sure we're situated here. Okay, looks like that's up and running. Mic check, 1, 2. I think our audio's good. All righty. All right, so what we're going to do is I want you to go ahead and go to my website here, PastorDre.com. If you can go to PastorDre.com. Let me see if I can get it to show up on the screen here. Just give me 1 second, 1 second. Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy, All right, let me see how I can share the screen here. I'm going to share the screen. And we're going to go there. All right, let's see. Boom. And then I should be able to do that. Let me check it out. Okay, just going to go there. Just give me 1 second as I get everything situated here. Boom. Okay, change that. Just a few seconds here. Let me share that there. Share screen, application window. And we're going to go like that. Okay, boom. And then I'm going to go like that. And you should be able to see my screen. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to PastorDre.com. Okay. And then when you get to PastorDre.com, I want you to click where it says free website. I want you to click right there. Okay. So go ahead and click that. All right. Once you click free website, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Let me get you situated here. 1 second. Okay. So free website. Boom. All right. It's going to take you to a page that looks just like that. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and enter a domain name. Now, this is where it's going to get fun. Like I said, go ahead and get comfortable. You want to get yourself some coffee, some tea, some water. But I want to show you step by step on how we can build a 6-page website. First thing we need to do is we need to get you a domain name. If you don't know what a domain name is, that's where people find you on the internet. So wait, let me set this up real quick over here too. Let me do one more thing. We're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go there like that. Boom. Okay. 1 second. Now, if you don't know what a domain name is, a domain is like Facebook.com, Google.com, Yahoo.com. Those are all domain names. So what a domain is, you tell people where they're going to be able to find you at on the web. So we're going to decide for your church, we're going to be building a website for a church. So what you could do is you could put in, say, your church name right here, and then your domain is going to be your church name.siterubics.com. So if they say, for example, you are the On Fire Church or the Radical Church or the Church with a Mission, whatever your church is. So let's just say Church on Fire. Okay. But you would put, of course, you would put your church's name or whatever you want your domain to be. So let's find out if that is available. The first thing it needs to be is available. So it's telling us it's available. Okay. So that's good. Now, once it's available, see where it says build my free website? I want you to click that. Okay. So let's go ahead and click there. And then what's going to happen, there's going to be a page that pops up. Let me show you how the page is going to look. There's going to be a page that pops up. I'll show you now. But this is going to be exciting, okay? So if we say Church on Fire, and then I click Build My Free Website, and when you click that button, this page is going to pop up for you. It's going to ask you to enter your email address, enter your name, enter a username, and enter a password. So go ahead and fill all that out right there. I want you to put your email, and then put your name, choose a username, and choose a password. The reason you need to fill all this out is because you are signing up to a community. And this community is awesome. It's like a Facebook, but for those that want to learn how to build websites and get traffic to your website. And it's cool. And it's free to join. There is a paid version, but that's something at a whole nother level. If you want to get the paid version, you can. But what I'm going to show you how to do, you could do for free. Okay. All right. So go ahead and enter your information. And the cool thing about it is once you join, I'll send you a welcome message because I'm also a member too. And another cool thing is if you sign up, they give me a little credit because I'm actually an affiliate. So that would be cool. Okay. So once you sign up, you fill this out, you're going to get a page that looks like this. And what I want you to do, I want you to click free domain. And here we enter your domain because we found out it was available. So now I'm going to say, let me see, the Church on Fire or something like that. I'll say that, the Church on Fire. Okay. And then we're going to call my website the Church on Fire. Of course, you put whatever you want. Boom. And then we're going to choose this theme here. I have several things because I am actually a member, but you're just going to get one theme. So you just go ahead and choose that theme right there. Okay. And then click build my free website. It's going to take a little while to set everything up for you. So just be a little patient. It's going to take about a minute or two. So let's let that do what it has to do. Okay. Hallelujah. We're going to show you how to build a church website from scratch. This is going to be cool. Okay. All right. So once you get everything situated, it's going to give you your admin and your password. Yours will be different from mine. So just go ahead and click log in now. Okay. Now let me go change the password so you can't see it. Let me go change it really quick. Okay, let me just 1 second. Knock it out. Okay, boom. I'm going to keep you on this page here. This is our dashboard, but I'm going to go ahead and change my password. So let me do that. The Church on Fire. We're going to view the details. Okay, and then I'm just going to reset my password. Boom, like that. Right, let me go back over here. Let me click refresh. It's actually asking me for the password. So let me see how I could do this here. Let me change my screen really quick. Here. Okay, let me just change my screen. Let me go change my password real quick. Boom, let's see. Log in. Okay. Let me just go back here. Refresh this. All right, and then let me log in. Okay, so let me go back here. And we should be good to go. Okay. All right, so now this is where the fun takes place. We're going to show you how to build a website from scratch. From scratch. All right, so first thing you want to do is I want you to go to Appearance and then go to Customize. Okay. And if you don't know, right now our website looks like, let me show you how it looks before I start working on it. Okay. So right now our website is looking like this. Show you how it looks. It's brand new. We just launched it, and this is how it looks. And our goal is going to be to build a website that looks like this. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So this is our goal, okay? And this is where we're at now, and this is our dashboard. So let's get busy. All right, first thing I want you to do, go to Appearance, Customize. So you go Appearance, and you click Customize. And then I want you to go to Site Identity, and I want you to tick Hide Site Title and tick Hide Site Tagline, and then click Select Logo. Then I already have some files uploaded on my computer. I did some basic graphics. I'm not a graphic designer, but I did some basic graphics to show you what you can do. Now, if you have a graphic designer, someone at your church that could take it to another level, more power to you. All right. So I just did these. These are basic graphics that I did that we're going to be using. Okay. So in order to get that, I'm going to go to select files. Okay. And then I'm going to go to my hard drive and I'm going to navigate to where I have those files, which I have it under live webinars, PastorDre.com, how to build a church website, images. Okay. So here's my top banner image here. So I'm going to click that. And if you want to know the dimensions for your web designer, the dimensions are 350 by 70. Okay, I mean, sorry, 850 by 250. Okay, 850 by 250. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and we're going to click select. And then we're going to crop the image. This one says the On Fire Church, but it's an image that I made already, so I'll just go ahead and use it. But you can make it say whatever you want in Photoshop. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click this down here. And what's going to happen is our logo that we just did is going to show up at the top. See, there's the actual picture. So you just go ahead and hit publish. And then I want you to go back over here. I want you to go to layout, header alignment, and click center. There you go. It's centered, and you click publish. Now, if we go to our website, you click refresh. There you go. So that's the first step. We've added this banner. Okay. Next thing you want to do, want to add the 6 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The way you do that is you click this arrow here. You go back to your dashboard. And then what you do is you go to pages. And you just start inserting your pages. So let's go see what's on this website. We got home, live webcast, podcast, small groups, blog, contact us. So let's go ahead and add those pages. Okay. So how do we do that? We click pages. Then you're going to go to add new. And let's start off with home. And then you click publish. We'll go back to add new. Then you click live webcast. Then you click publish. Then you go to add new. Then you click blog. Type in blog and you click publish. Then you go to add new. And you write in contact us. And then you click publish. And then you go to add new. And then you write in small groups. And then you click publish. Now you go to your pages and there's all your pages. Go ahead and delete the sample page. The way you do that is you go over trash and you just click trash. You want to keep the privacy policy, keep that there. All right, so now when we go to our website, we're going to hit refresh. And there's all of our pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing one. Home, live webcast, blog, contact us, podcast. We're missing podcast. So to add a page, just go back to pages. Okay. You click add new. Right? And then you just type in podcast. Go ahead and write that in, podcast. And then you click publish. All right, so now if we go over here and refresh, there you go. Home, live webcast, blog, contact us, small groups, podcast. But if you notice, this is in a different order. This one says home, live webcast, podcast, small groups, blog, contact us. So how do you change the order? Well, the way you change the order is you go to appearance, and then you go to menus. You click menus right here, okay? And then you just click and drag. Now, there are 2 home pages. You can go ahead and delete this one that says custom link. So you click on it and just click remove, and you're good, okay? So if we want our home page first, you click, hold it down, take it to the top, okay? And I think they have live webcast and podcast. So we're going to click and drag up. But make sure it's all the way to the left. You don't want it on the right because then it's a sub menu. So make sure it's all the way to the left. So home, live webcast, and then what else they got? Podcast, small groups. So let's go ahead and put let's put our podcast, click and drag, small groups, click, drag, blog, contact us. Let's see if that's what it is. There it is. Okay. So now you want to make sure you create your menu. Okay. Then you want to go down here to the bottom, see where it says primary menu. Click that, and then click Save Menu. Okay. Now, when we refresh our website, watch what happens when we refresh our website. Watch the order. It's going to change. Watch. Boom. There you go. Home, live webcast, podcast, small groups, blog, contact us. Good stuff, right? So we already got the top part and we got our pages. Top part, pages. So now we want to turn this from a blog to a website. How do you do that? Well, you're going to go back to your dashboard and I want you to click Settings right there. Click that. And then I want you to click Reading. See that? Click that. Now, I want you to click where it says Static Page. Click that. Home Page. I want you to scroll down and select Home. Okay, so you click right up in here, click Home. Where it says Post Page, click Select, and I want you to click Blog. And then you click Save Changes. The other thing I want you to do is I want you to go to Settings and then click Writing. What I want you to do is I want you to click Block Editor and then click Yes. And then scroll down and click Save Changes. Okay, so now when we refresh our website, watch what happens. It looks like a website now. It's no longer a blog, it's a website. Now, if you notice on this website, which is our goal, there's no stuff on the side. But if you look at our website that's existing, there's this stuff on the side. How do you get rid of that? Go back to your dashboard. I want you to click Pages. Then I want you to click the page you want to edit, which is our home page. I want you to click Edit with Block Editor. Okay. Edit with Block Editor. You can close that. And then I want you to scroll down. See where it says Page Builder Container? I want you to select Content, No Sidebars. And then click Update. Okay. Now, when you refresh here, watch what happens. It goes away. All right. Now, if you want to get rid of this home, which I personally don't want there, you go back, same home page to the right. See where it says Disable Elements? Click that. And then you click Content Title. You click Update. Now, what's going to happen is when we refresh our page, there it is. Now you got a fresh, clean page. Now, if you want to change the background color, like this one's red, you just go back over to your dashboard. So you got to click this arrow, takes you to your dashboard. You click Appearance, Customize. Okay. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. See where it says Colors? You click that. See where it says Background Color? You click there. And you scroll around whatever color you want. Whatever you want. This one's red, I think, so let's go and mess around with that. Let's put it about right there. Then you click Publish. Okay? Then if we go over here, we click Refresh. There's your background. So it's starting to look like our goal. Okay? Now, how do we get this writing? Our next step is to put this writing. Okay, so you want to go back to your dashboard, which is here. I'm sorry, let's go to the dashboard. You click your arrow. Whenever you're in your dashboard, it'll say dashboard right here. Okay, that's your dashboard. All right, so now we want to put some writing. So we're going to go to Pages, and we're going to go to Home Page, and we're going to click Edit Block Editor. Okay. And then we're going to start typing. So wherever you want typing, you just click in here on the page. You can just start typing. Welcome to the Church on Fire. And we'll put little things like that. To make it bigger, you can just highlight it. Click this little design thing here. Go to Heading and click H2. Boom. Click the B to make it bold. And then you click these lines and you can center it by clicking Align Text Center. Boom. Then you click Update. So now you should have some writing on your website. So if we go to our website and we refresh, there it is. Welcome to the On Fire Church. Now this one's a little bit bigger, or welcome to the Church on Fire. The way you make it bigger is you could just highlight it. See where it says preset size? You can go medium, you can go large, you can go huge. Let's go large. Okay? And if you really want to make fine adjustments, you can change the numbers over here like that. See? Okay, so we're going to go with 36. We're going to click update. Now we're going to refresh. There it is. Welcome to the On Fire Church. Now, if you want to get this second writing, I'm just going to copy it for the sake of time instead of typing it. I just copy it, Control C on the PC, not for sure what it is on the Mac. Then I click where I want to put the typing. So I click here and I just paste. Or, of course, you could type and I highlight it. And if I want to center it, I just highlight it, right? Click these lines, click align text center, boom. And then I click update. Okay. And now when I refresh my website, there you go. There it is. All right. Now, how do we add these images right here? The way you add the images is you go to the plus, and I want you to type in columns. Columns, select columns. I want you to select the 3 columns. Okay. After you select it, I want you to click the plus, and I want you to type in image. Then select image. Now, I have 3 images uploaded on my hard drive. Like I said, I'm not a graphic designer, but I just designed them in Photoshop. You can have a graphic designer design some nice images for you, but I'm just showing you the basics. Okay, so what you do is you click upload, and I'm going to grab this image here that says live webcast. I'm going to double click it. Okay, I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to center it, align center, boom. Then I'm going to go here, click plus, and then we're going to get image. I'm going to go to upload, and then I click church podcast. Boom. And I click it, and I center it. Boom. Then I go to plus here, go to image, upload, and then small groups, double click on the image, click the lines, align center, and then click update. Now, when we go to our website, we click refresh. There's your 3 images. Pretty cool, no? So we're almost there to our goal. Tell me that's not cool. Isn't that cool? Okay, so now we see here they have a video. How do we add that? You go here, click where you want to add it, right? So we're going to click plus. I want you to type in columns or find the columns. Boom, you click it, and then I want you to click the 2 columns, 3070. Click that. Then I want you to click plus. I want you to click paragraph. And you can just start typing. Welcome. Well, here is a welcome video from our, say, newcomers team. It could be whatever video you want, but I'm just going to say newcomers team. We are so excited that you have stopped by our website. Boom. And then you click update. Now what we just typed is going to show up on our website. Click refresh. There you go. Now to add a video, you can go to YouTube and get any video you want. So as long as you can upload it to YouTube, you can put it on your website. And the cool thing about YouTube is it's what? Free. So whatever video you upload, you can upload it to your website. Isn't that cool? So let me go ahead and grab a video here. Let me see. Let's see. I'll just grab anyone. It's loading up. And that's the cool thing. So you can film a video from your newcomers team, from your pastor, from your public relations person saying, hey, we're so excited you have decided to stop by our website. There's so much you can do. So let me just go ahead and grab one of these videos. I'll just grab this one here. Okay, so whatever video you want, you click on it. And then what you do is you see where it says video link. You click these two things here. Click that there, back, and you hit the plus, and then you type in video. Okay, and then you can select YouTube. Okay, and then you put that link right in this box right there. Right in that box, and you click embed, and then your video shows up. So you click update, and if I click refresh, there it is. So now we're rolling. Our goal was to website like this, right? And look what we got. There it is. This could be a nice welcome video. Boom, just hit play. All right. So like it could be a welcome video. Thanks for stopping by our website. Could be a video inviting people to tune into your services. So much stuff you can do with the video. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and create the live webcast page. The way you do that, let me go ahead and close YouTube. The way you do that is you go back to your dashboard and then you start editing your live webcast page. So you go to edit. Okay. And it's going to load up. And then you could just type whatever you want, welcome to our live webcast. Our services are every Sunday at 9 a.m. and Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Boom. All right, you click update. And whatever video you want to put, I usually like to do this. Let me show you a little secret. I hit the plus, and I'm going to click columns or type in columns. And I'm going to choose the 3 columns, but I like to put the video in the middle. So I'm going to click YouTube, and let's just paste our other video that we had. You can put whatever you want, but to put a live video, you could do that also. I'll show you how to do that now. So let me click update. I'm just going to show you how to line it up first. So what I like to do is if I go now, watch, if I go to the live webcast page now, look how it's going to look. It's going to look like that. Okay. So let me go ahead and update it. Okay. And then we're going to refresh it. Now it should show up with the 3 columns. Let me see here. Where we're going. Let's see the church on fire. Boom. Live webcast. Let me see why it's not updating really quick. Go here, embed. Okay, I didn't embed the video. That's why. Boom. So update. So now if I hit refresh, watch how small the video is. See how it's small? So what I like to do is I like to put 3 columns so that I could change the size by changing the width of this column. The way you do that is you click on the column, come over here, and you can go to like maybe 20. All right? Come over here, click on this one, spread that one to about 20. All right, see how the video is getting bigger? You can even make it smaller. You can go like to 10. You see 10, and then go over here and make this one 10, and the video gets bigger. See? However you want to do it. All right, so let's just go with 9.1. That's close enough. And then we hit refresh. Now watch how the video changes size. So that could be your live webcast. Now to do a live webcast, what you do is you go to YouTube. Okay. So if you have your church service and you want to broadcast live on YouTube, you just go to your YouTube account and then you click where it says right here, create, click that. And see where it says go live, click that. Okay. And then you want to create an event. So say your service is Sunday morning, 9 a.m. So what you do is you come over here and then you just click where it says manage. You click that. Click manage. Okay, and it's going to tell you to schedule a stream. So you click schedule stream, and Sunday morning service, you could say Sunday morning service, and you want it to be public. and you leave all this the same. You can put in your information, however you want to do it, and you tell it what time it's going to start. Okay, we want to start on Sunday, boom, at 9 a.m. So you put your time in there. Let me see, 9 a.m. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go there. Boom. Okay. Then you click if it's for kids. No, this is not made for kids. And you click create stream. So now you have an event set up for Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Now to get the feed, you click on it, see this arrow here? Click that. And then you click see how it's the link? You click copy. Okay. Then you go back to your page where you want to put that, which is going to be your live feed. You click on here and let's just go ahead and drop that feed in, that URL, instead of the other video. You drop it in, you click embed. So now you have your Sunday morning live feed ready to go. There it is. Well, let's see what happened here. Let me hit update. Okay, let me close that. Let me preview it. And now you should be ready to rock and roll. There's your live feed. So once you go live, once you start your broadcast Sunday, whenever you start it, it's going to automatically show up on your live webcast page. Isn't that rocking? Wow. And it's all for free. All right. Now, how do you create your podcast? You need to have a podcast service in order to create a podcast. There's a lot of free ones out there. You can get Podbean, Spreaker. Spreaker's not free, but I think Podbean has free service. I think Anchor has a free service. There's a few places where you can get a free service for your podcast. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. I already have a service. So you go to your podcast page, you click edit. Okay. And then of course you could type, welcome to our podcast, however you want to do it. So let me just type that in, say welcome to our podcast page. Boom. Click update. Okay. And then I'm going to go to my Spreaker podcast. And you want to get what's called your RSS feed. Whenever you set up your free Anchored or your free Podbean, you get your RSS feed. Okay, so I'm going to go get mine, which is here, dashboard, boom. I'm going to grab my RSS feed. So I'm going to click my RSS feed here. Oops, sorry about that. Let me see. Click my podcast, actually. And then I want to see where it says RSS link. I want that. There it is. Copied. So that's my RSS feed. And your free podcast should have an RSS feed. Then what you do is you go back to the page and, hit the plus wherever you want to start typing. And I want you to type in RSS. And there it is, RSS. And you want to paste that feed that you copied right there. You click use URL. And there it is. You click update. Then let's go to our podcast page. And there's your podcast. Automatically uploads. If I click it, it takes me to the podcast. Isn't that so cool? Isn't that rocking? Come on now. And you could get free podcasts. You can get free podcasts. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and close that. Boom. Let me go here. Go to preview. Boom. All right. So now remember our goal was to create a website like this. So far, our homepage, we got that. Nice video. We got our live webcast all set up. So let's take a look at this live webcast, the one that's our goal. Okay, there's that live webcast. Then their podcast, boom. There's the click podcast. There's the podcast page. And here's our podcast page. We actually added a podcast. All right. Now, how do you do the small groups? Let's work on our small groups page. So you want to go back to your dashboard. Click small groups. Click edit. I'm not small groups, but you click edit with block editor. Then it's going to take you to your small groups page. And here you can list all your small groups. You could put name. and then you put the name of the small group, the On Fire Small Group. Okay, you put enter, then you can say location, right? You can say 123 4 Trekker Road in the good. Oh, let me put road in the Goodwood Mall. Okay, you hit enter. You can say name, location, time, and then I put a shift and enter so to keep the line close. Okay, and then we can say let's say starts at 7 p.m. Enter for more information. Call. And you can put the life group phone number, put the church's phone number. In my case, I'm going to put this phone number here, 061 407 9474. Okay, and then you click update. Now, when you refresh your small groups page, there it is, small groups, name, location, time for more information. So then you could just list all your small groups. Another thing you can do is you could put them in columns. So say if I go up here, right, and I click plus, and I choose columns. Let's type in columns, and I click that, and I choose the 3 columns. So what I could do is I could put the life groups in the 3 columns. So let me see if I can paste this. Let me see if I can copy it. Yeah, copy it. Yeah. And then I just go to plus, and I type paragraph, and then I just drop that in like that. And I can do the same thing here. So say I got another life group I want to add or a Bible study, put it there. I'm going to hit plus, and I got another Bible study, another location or small group, support group, but update. So and you can make it stand out by bolding the name. Just highlight it, click the B, highlight it, click the B, highlight it, and you click the B. And then same thing with your location. You can highlight it, click B, highlight it, click B. You can highlight this one, click B. So then it stands out. So when you click update, and then you refresh your small groups page, there's your small groups. And you can even highlight time and all that. So there's so much you can do. You can list them going down, you can list them going across and down. But that's how you could do your small groups page. And then you could even write up here, like you say, let me go up here. Please feel free to join any one of our small groups, and then like that, boom, and you can make that bold, boom, headline, heading, make it a H3 maybe, bold it. That's cool. Then you click update, click refresh. There it is. That's rocking, right? So now you got a home page. All has been done for free. Live webcast page, ready to go Sunday morning, 9 a.m., called Sunday morning service. You got your podcast page. You got your small groups page. Now I'm going to show you how to do your blog page. Go to your dashboard, and then you go to post. Okay, and then you go to add new, and you could just start writing your blog. Right. So I'm going to call my first one my first blog. You could call it whatever you want. It could be a testimony, be a newsletter, be a praise report. It could be information, however you want to do it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in my first blog. Okay, that's going to be the title. And once you put your title, you can start writing whatever you want. So you can say hi and welcome to our blog. Boom. Yeah. All right. So and then you of course you would write more stuff. You start writing like today we are going to hear the testimony of a young man that has been changed by the changed by the power of God. Okay? And then what you could do, just keep writing and writing. But I'm just gonna paste some stuff here. So let me just copy this and I'll just paste it just to make it seem like we're writing. But of course your blog would be longer, but I'm just gonna paste. Boom, boom, boom. So say I'm typing, writing. So that's my blog. And then I hit publish. Okay. Now when I go to my blog page, watch what happens. There's my first blog, and there's the blog. And in order to read it, you click read more, and then there's the blog, and there will be your blog. And the more blogs you write, the better, because then you have a better chance of ranking in Google and people seeing your website. Now, if you notice, there's another blog on here that says Hello World, which is like a sample blog. And to get rid of that, you just go back to your blog page. See where it says post, you go to your post. See where it says Hello World, you just click trash. And that's it. So when we refresh our blog, it's going to disappear. And you have one. So to write another blog, you just go to post. Okay. You click add new and you just start writing. That's all you got to do. You give it a good title and you just start writing. If it's a newsletter, praise report, if somebody got blessed financially, missionary wants to give a testimony. So I just say my second blog. Of course, you would change the name, and then you go down here and you start writing. Here is our second blog, right? And you just start writing. So say I want to copy that. I want to start writing. So I just paste it. Says like a blog that I'm writing. Boom, boom, boom. I'm writing powerful testimony, newsletter, praise report, boom. And I click publish. Okay, then I go back to our blog page and I click refresh. There's your second blog. That's powerful, man. And it's all done for free. And the last page, let's do our contact us page. So the way you set up a contact us page is just go back to your dashboard. Okay. And you want to go to pages. Right. And then you want to click your contact us page. All right. And then I'm going to show you how to add a form for free. So what you want to do is you want to go to a place called Jot Form. Let me show you really quick. Let me go here, Jot Form. Okay. Now you can sign up for free. I'm already logged in. So this is how it would look. Once you log in, you set up a free account. So I have all these forms here. Okay, here's my forms. You don't have any forms yet. Oh, I got to log in. Sorry about that. But let me just show you the pricing before I log in. Just show you really quick how you could get a free form. See where it says starter free? You get 5 free forms. Okay, and it's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you what you could do with this free form. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Okay. And then I'm going to go to my forms. And then I'm just going to use this contact us one. Now to create a form, you just click create form. That's all you got to do. Okay. You just click create form. And then here's a whole bunch of forms I created. To edit it, you just go to edit form. Okay. And it's very simple. Whatever you want to add, you click add form element, you click the plus. So if I want them to enter their name in the form, I click, drag it on over, and then it puts their name. It's cool, huh? I'm going to take it out because I already have it. If I want their email, I just click, drag email, drop it right there, boom, email. Okay, if I want their phone number, click, drag, and then here I have a multiple choice where you can scroll down over here, multiple choice, click, drag, and then you just write in your question and their options. And then the cool thing about it is when they fill out this form, it gets sent to the email that you use to sign up. Now, here's how you put the form in your website. You just go to publish. Okay, click over here where it says embed. Click over here where it says copy code. Then you go back to your contact us page. And I want you to click the plus, and I want you to type in HTML. Okay, and then you can type that in there. And then in this block, I want you to paste the HTML you copied. Okay, and then I want you to click update. Okay, now when we go to our contact us page, that form should show up. There it is. So now you have a rocking website, and it has all been done for how much? Free. Now it's not your own domain name, but you can pay for a domain name like $10 a year, I think, or $15 a year. And rands, that's like 275 rand a year. So then you could have your own domain like thechurchonfire.com or theradicalchurch.com. But being that it's free, you have to use somebody else's hosting and they let you host it for free, but you have to put their name in your website and your domain. So that's why we have thechurchonfire.siterubics.com. You know, a lot of places that host you that allow you to host for free, you have to put their name in your domain. But if you buy your domain, you can forward it to this website. You see? And then you just buy a domain for like 250 rand, 275 rand. I think it's like 15 American dollars. And you got a rocking website, you know? I mean, not bad, huh? For all this was right here has been done for free. And like I said, if you want to buy your own domain name, you could just link it to this website, and then you have a website for $15 a year or 275 rand a year. And this is a good basic website. You could do your live webcast, you could do your podcast, and there are free podcast services. You got your small groups listed, you got your blog, and of course, you could take it to another level. I'm just showing you basics, and then you got your contact us with the form. Man, that's rocking. Let me show you one more thing you can do. If you go to your home page, we're going to link these images to the actual pages. So in order to do that, we're going to go back to our dashboard, and I want you to go to home page, and I want you to click Edit with Block Editor. So now what we're going to do is we're going to let the images here, they're going to link us to the actual page, because if you hover over it now, then nothing happens. But if you go to this website, so you go to home page, right? Let me close this tab, close that. If you go to homepage on this website, that's our goal, and you click the live webcast link, it takes you to the live webcast page. Let me show you how to do that. So we're going to go to the link. I'm going to go to the picture, and you want to get the link where you want to lead them to. So for example, there's two ways you can do it. You can click on the page, and once the page loads up, you can highlight the URL, copy it like that. Or you can right-click on the page in the menu, click copy link address, and to right-click on a PC is, right-click. You just right-click, and then you click copy link. I'm not for sure what it is on the Mac, but then you select copy link address. Then you go back, you click on the image. See this little link? You paste that URL that you copied in that box, and you click the arrow. Same thing for the church podcast. You go back, right-click on podcast. It's going to say copy link address. You copy it. You go back, click the image, click the link, and then you paste that link in the box. Then you click the arrow. Same thing for small groups. You right-click, select copy link address, go back, select the small groups, click the links, and you paste that link right there in the box. Click the arrow, click update up here. I go back here and I refresh my page, refresh the website. I go to the home page. Now watch what happens. If I click live web class, so I hover over the image and I click it, it takes me to that page. Isn't that cool? Same thing with the church podcast. If I click it, it takes me to our church podcast. If I go back to the home page and I click small groups, it takes me to the small groups. You have a rocking website. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. A nice little free website built in under an hour for free for your church, and that's rocking. If you have any questions, please email me, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. I would love to help you out if you have any questions, okay? Thanks for tuning in to the webinar. And don't forget, sign up today, get your church online, because if you don't have your church online, it's like you don't have a church building nowadays, because we all know there's limitations in meeting in church buildings. So bring church online. But and let me just say this, broadcasting on social media is great, but that's rented property. They can shut you down anytime. But when you have your own website, you own the property. So don't lead people to social media to watch your services. Lead them to your website. And then from there, they can click on whether they want to watch it on Facebook or YouTube. You want the traffic to come to your website because why? When they come to your website, they could visit your podcast. They could visit your small groups. They could check out your blog. You can even put a giving page. They can contact you. If they're watching it on Facebook, you can't put your podcast there. You don't have a podcast page. You can't really put your small groups page. You can't really give from Facebook to your church. But if I'm watching your live webcast, right? And I say, hey, I want to give, you can put a give button under here, right? And I don't have to go anywhere else. I can just click the giving button, takes me to your giving page. I go give during the offering. I'm back watching the service. It's that simple. So I would really encourage you, get your own website. And if you have any questions, once again, hit me up, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. God bless you.